Good Monday evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Temperatures are all over the board as we have some areas of clear skies and some rapidly falling temperatures from the Red River Valley and points east 18, Thief River Falls 15 in Grand Forks. But take a look at Gwinner, 27 there. South winds starting to punch in. We have 24 in Devil's Lake and 23 in Baudette this hour, with 19 in Detroit Lakes. Visibility a problem in a few spots, particularly down south. Now we have south air that's blowing up over our frozen tundra, and that air has more moisture in it. Moves over that cold surface, and we can get what we call advection fog blowing in. So we do have some reduced visibility, and take a look at that reduced visibility. I-29 here at the Dakota Magic Casino. From time to time, that visibility is dropping down and coming up as fog often does. Here in the FM area, though, 16 degrees out at the airport. Feels like one. The wind picking up. It's from the south, 16 miles per hour. Here's a look at the satellite. We're seeing a few clouds up north sagging into our northern counties, and the south winds at the surface causing some of those lower clouds to form down in our southern counties. Here's the system we're watching. I'll have much more on how this will impact your midweek forecast. But first, let us talk about what you can expect for tomorrow, because I do not want to skip over some very grand weather. First and foremost, overnight areas of patchy fog will be possible. By morning, temperatures will increase. A few of us in the 20 to 30 degree category as we begin our day. Winds will be a little breezy, 10 to 20 miles per hour as we head out the door. That's not a bad springboard temperature, and as we go toward the midday hours, the clouds will build in, so I think we'll see a few more of those in the forecast as well. As we go through the afternoon, though, we're saying there is a chance here at seeing temperatures rise above the melting point of water for the first time since January 7th. So do enjoy, even though we'll have more clouds on the Minnesota side of the river, I expect it to be a dry day. Temperatures starting out in Fargo, hour by hour style, will be in those 20s, low to mid 20s. Then as we go to the afternoon, a good shot at mid and maybe even upper 30s as we will melt a little bit of the piles of snow out there. Then, as we go Wednesday, a big area of rain, an area in pink here showing that we could have some areas of icing or sleet, and then snow on the backside where temperatures are colder. A very strong low pressure system will lift forward. It starts as rain Wednesday night for many of our counties. Now, because of the winds, these arrows you see in red will be so strong with this intense low pressure system, particularly as we go from late Wednesday and into Thursday. We could have a good chance at many of our counties being under some blizzard-like conditions. Then also, with the winds and the potential for icing, power outages could be a problem, and any snow that does fall will be of the heavy wet variety, and that could cause problems with yet more roofs across the area. As we go through, gusty north winds will continue throughout Thursday as the snow accumulation will be likely across eastern North Dakota. A lot of rain in southern Minnesota will limit snowfall potential there the way it looks now. One model says the heaviest band of snow will be right here in our central viewing area, and the European model says, yeah, not too bad, pretty close, but a little farther north. Where that rain snow line sets up, all that's still very dynamic. We'll keep you up to date, but a couple of factors to keep in mind: gusts over 50 likely, power outage, roof collapse, and impossible travel will be possible in some of our counties. It's a great photo by Tracy. Thanks for taking the time to upload a nice peaceful scene of the snowy scenery. Wednesday, things get started late after 38. And then on Thursday, temperatures will be going down throughout the day. Gusty north winds, quite a nasty situation developing there. Then for the weekend, things look quieter and not too cold.
All right. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.